Xbox 360 Injustice Gods Among Us Battle Edition fighting stick. Pretty nice condition. Got some playwear. Stick looks good. Nice and tight. Scratch on this button right here. The box is in nice condition. Turn over the back. Here's the back. Box. Cool box. Alright, so this is going to be wrapped in bubble wrap, the box. And then I use this black wrap to wrap it. It saves on shipping. It's secure. I do it a lot. It works. It saves on shipping. Here's the stick. There's no cord included. There's no cable. So this is it. You're going to have to get the cable. Cool piece.